Hey man, are we out of cookie dough?
Yeah. I may have had the rest last night.
What about gorilla feet?
Yeah,
Purple monkey?
that too. Completely out of brownie dust, OG fire, and Snoop Dogg lemonade.
Dang. Well, I'll go to the store, see what they have. Yeah, I'll take 2 brownies, a tin of gummies, and 1 candy bar.
All right, that'll be $1,567.
That's absurd! How can it cost...
You didn't let me finish.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
And 27 cents.
What? That criminal.
Oh, yeah. It definitely is.
How can you charge that and sleep at night?
Usually on my stomach with my left leg jackknifed violently to the side. And quite easily, in fact, because of the edibles. I make my own.
You make your own? How is that? Isn't that messy and hard to do?
Well, there's a secret, but I probably shouldn't tell you.
Why not?
Well, I don't want to lose my job.
Come on, I won't tell anyone.
Well, I shouldn't say this, but let's just say you should leave. Oh?
Oh?
Yeah, exactly. Leave. Oh?
I feel like you're talking in code.
Okay, fine. It's LÄVO, okay? It's the machine I use at home to create all my own edibles.
LÄVO, you say?
That's right. LÄVO created the world's first and only patented herbal infusion machine. You can infuse any and all of your favorite herbs all with one machine at the touch of a button.
Sounds complicated.
Oh, it very much isn't. You can dry, activate, and infuse all without the mess or the smell.
You speak too elegantly. I feel like I'm in a commercial.
Well, you are not in a commercial.
I'm confused.
LÄVO. Get yours at LEVOoil.com. The best kept secret right at your fingertips.
Who are you? Who are you talking to? I feel like this is the Truman Show.
LÄVO. Yes, it's that easy. Edibles as simple as 1, 2, 3.
Listen, you already sold me on it. Why are you still talking? I just bought one from my phone.
Again, that's LEVOoil.com. LEVOoil.com. Use promo code ANIMATE for 10% off your order.
You could have told me that before I bought it.